Saskatchewan's 7-day average of 321 new cases is an all-time high. The province's chief medical health officer, Dr. Saqib Shahab, says 49 deaths since January 1st is also far too high. And he's calling the next couple of weeks crucial to slowing the spread of the virus.
The other options that remain beyond the current public health measures are, we can see that in being enacted in many other jurisdictions across Canada that are quite stringent. But, this can be turned around by universal compliance by all of us, which actually did happen in December. We were on an upward trajectory. It leveled off with the same measures that we have in place now.
Both Shahab and Premier Scott Moe say there are recent examples of people and businesses breaking the public health orders. Moe says that he believes fines are sufficient. And he says while people, including himself, are experiencing COVID-19 fatigue, they need to see the bigger picture.
This is no time for us as adults to, be making decisions that, quite frankly, are irresponsible and are contributing to the spread through super spreader events like you had mentioned. We all need to do our part for a little while longer to see our way, through this pandemic.
Moe calls the pace of vaccinations in Saskatchewan too slow. He says they'll soon ramp up. He says a couple of reasons for the slow rollout is they sent some vaccines to remote parts of the province. And he says the other change is that the Pfizer vaccine can now travel to more places. Moe says the province also knows how much vaccine it will be getting over the next few weeks.
So that's enough to do about 95,000 Saskatchewan residents. It's about 8% of our population that could be fully vaccinated with the current allotment in the first quarter of 2021.
Dr. Shahab says the impact of vaccinations in Saskatchewan won't be felt until June. That's why he's calling the next 3 months the most critical part of the pandemic so far, for people to slow the spread of the virus while they await a vaccination. Adam Hunter, CBC News, Regina.